octopus that I'm been working on for a little while. You can see here how I did that sort of sideways cut, sort of cut off of the corner of the saw tooth. It's a cool technique to use. I call it slough cut or sanding cut. Always very helpful. And you see my nice platform here. I run this board across. Usually I won't stand 100% on it. You know, unless I'm in the middle of it, absolutely secure and sure that it's not gonna dump me on the ground. But yeah, you can see this it's a little bit loose. It needs some tightening up here and there. I did climb this tree back in May. Was it April or May sometime? So that you know, it was a climb and cut down. That main lead went up and over the front porch, and this other one was actually into the wires. Just to show you how much has been removed here. How much I've actually removed from the tree. Each of those leads starting out was almost 15-20 inches in diameter, each one of them. So they're taking quite a bit out, and working on these sucker cups here is quite a process. But there, I showed you in the beginning basically what I'm doing, and it's over and over and over and over again, and I'm almost there. I got this leg, these two legs, and the one that I was just working on. Got that to finish, and then the tip of this little curly over the top one. And that's pretty much all of it for the sucker cups. And then some light sanding, and you see I'm making this line here, this tracer line for the division. It's going to have two different types of stain, and the trick there is I'm trying to push my stain to that line and stop, so that as the stain bleeds into the wood, it bleeds into the wood inside that line and doesn't go outside of it. That's my hope. I've used that line trick before, and it's worked really good. So okay, well, thanks for checking it out, and this is one of the many crazy stump jobs that I get, and you know, seems like I'm in over my head all the time with these things, but I enjoy it, and they usually end up being really good and well worth it. But you see, here's the last tip. Center of the sucker cups, I just take a paddle bit and I trim it down with a little grinder. I shape it so it cuts super fast. And then for sanding, I have a lot of these carbide. I have this. I have good carbide. I modified it because all the carbides wore out here. But you know, any carbide, the bullet burrs, what have you. Here I have super short on an electric saw. It just helps when you need it. It's good to have. Alright, well, I gotta get back to it. Thanks, guys.